Burnout and brain fog can make you feel like you're not as sharp as you used to be. If you're a social worker thinking, why can't I focus like I used to? This video is for you. In the next 10 minutes or so, I'll give you a simple reframe and 5 quick resets to most take 1 to 3 minutes. Stay to the end because reset number 4 helps most if perfectionism is slowing your documentation. Here's the flow. First, a quick reframe, then a common burnout pattern, then 5 resets. As you listen, pick one to try today. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what is your biggest struggle right now? Is it documentation, constant interruptions, feeling reactive all day, or being mentally at work even when you're at home? And if this helps, like and subscribe. I share practical tools for real social work days every week. Here's the most important thing I want you to hear. Struggling to focus is often nervous system overload, not laziness. Social workers hold a lot. Client needs, crisis response, documentation, family logistics, and the emotional weight that comes with caring deeply. When your day is built around urgency, interruptions, and emotional switching, focus isn't just a skill. It's a capacity that needs protecting. And task switching has its cost. Every time you switch tasks, your brain uses energy to reorient itself. That cognitive load really adds up, and it can make you feel scattered, even when you're working hard. So if you've been blaming yourself, pause for a moment. What if nothing is wrong with you? What if you're just overloaded? When I say intentionality, I'm not saying try harder. Intentionality means choosing what matters on purpose and protecting your attention long enough to do it. It's not about perfection. It's about small, realistic practices that interrupt the scattered cycle and rebuild clarity in small matters. Because when you're overwhelmed, your brain just cannot handle one more big plan. It needs a quick reset and a clear next step. A quick note here. I'm going to share a composite story. This is not a real client, just a blend of patterns that I see in my coaching work. So Maya was known as the dependable one, the one who handled the tough cases, the one who always said yes. She told me, I used to be so sharp. Now I can't finish a note without getting pulled into something else. I'm behind and I'm mad at myself all the time. When we slowed down, we didn't find laziness. We found a loop of over responsibility, thinking if I don't get it done, no one will do it right. Of constant urgency, thinking everything's like a fire. No recovery time, making her brain have no time to get a reset, and feeling guilt when she's trying to relax. So she never really truly felt rested. Her focus didn't return because she forced it. It returned when she practiced intentionality. Tiny practices that protected her attention. If you relate to Maya, type me in the comments. You're not alone. So our reset number 1 is a purpose anchor. It takes 60 seconds. So before you start your day, before documentation, ask yourself 3 questions. What matters most today? Who do I want to be while I do it? Do I want to be calm, clear, steady, compassionate? And what's one outcome that would make today meaningful? An action step. Write one sentence. Keep it visible. This gives your brain a target so it stops chasing everything all at once and can focus on that goal. Reset number 2, one thing plus one boundary. Pick one thing, the most important task you want to move forward with today. Then pick one boundary for 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to close your email, silence notifications, one tab open, door closed if you can. So here's an example. My one thing is finishing this assessment note. My boundary is my email is closed for the next 20 minutes. This is how you turn purpose into action. Reset number 3, the 3-minute transition reset. Social work requires emotional switching. Give your brain a bridge. Take 3 slow breaths. Drop your shoulders. Name what you're carrying. That was heavy. Name what's next. Now I'm documenting. This reduces mental residue, so the last task doesn't follow you into the next one. Reset number 4, the good enough documentation script. Perfectionism is a major focus thief, especially with notes. So before you start, say this sentence. I'm aiming for clear and complete, not perfect. Then set a timer for 15 minutes and begin. You're not lowering your standards. You're lowering the friction that keeps you stuck in a task. Reset number 5, end of the day closure. Before you leave work or shut your laptop, do this. List 3 things you did today. Small things count too. List one thing that can wait. Choose one intention for tomorrow. For example, one thing that can wait is updating that treatment plan. This helps your mind stop working on it all evening. Now, let's make it real. Pick one reset and commit to it for the next 24 hours. If you're short on time, choose reset number 1. If interruptions are killing you, choose reset number 2. If you carry clients home, choose reset number 3 and reset number 5. If perfection slows you down, reset number 4 is yours. Plus that 15-minute timer in that reset 4. Tell me in the comments, what reset are you trying first? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? If you want a personalized starting point, I have a free Happiness Thief self-assessment. The link is in the description. It helps you identify what pattern is quietly draining your focus. It might be over responsibility, people-pleasing, perfectionism, or maybe that guilt while you're trying to relax. And it gives you a simple action plan. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and tune in for more practical focus resets. And remember, you're not broken. You're overloaded. Small intentional shifts can change your whole week.